Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our next episode. Nicodemus, what are we gonna do today? Okay, so 2 doors down. Okay, now the back door should be similar. Okay, come on over, I'll show you how we do the rear doors. Why not? Okay, we don't want to lose that. Okay, same thing. Same thing. Light out. Okay, on this, see, we took the light out, but I don't feel any. No, that's not it. Okay, so now we have to figure out.
That's what a car smells.
It doesn't smell anything. It smells like a car. Look at his face. This guy, come on.
This guy.
Come on.
Wait, did you ever see this? If you want money, just go here.
Money. Let's see if there is.
What is this for, actually?
It's an ashtray. For those who smoke.
Ah. Why are like these kind of fast cars like those spots for smoking? I don't know.
Okay. Now again, okay, there you go. Okay, the side popped out. Same thing. Let's see.
Maybe speeding over there. Remember that.
Okay, go ahead. Keep it to yourself, okay?
Oh, what is this?
Okay, so we have a little screw right here. So we want to take that out. Now this trim should be.
My question is, who's gonna clean that up?
Okay, so now we're back. So we just pop this out, unscrew here, and we have to continue just popping everything out. Hold this, and we have another bolt right here, and let me see it. Yeah, you're gonna do on the other side. Okay, hold on to this. Okay, hold on to this. Let's see. There you go. So just pop it out. Up like that. Okay, we have one wire. Let me see the yellow Sharpie. I don't know what you call it. Okay, have a wire going to a speaker on both sides. Okay, have another speaker right here, so let's take that out to pull the wire. Pull it. Pull.
I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. If I'm not. Oh no.
Oops, broke something. It's okay. Okay.
It's okay. People won't want to buy it.
It's not on the door panel. Okay, we're gonna have to take this out. So we have the red thing like this. and then you press on it and just pull. Here's the door.
Ouch, ouch.
Okay, put the trim on the door.
You poked me.
Okay, don't scratch the door panels.
Ow.
Okay, go start working on the other door. Nicodemus. There is that. And where's the other trim?
Screwdriver, the tin one.
What?
The tin screwdriver. This one, but I need a tin. Where's that one?
I'm not sure. I don't see it here.
I need it.
Okay, another door panel. Another door panel going on shelf. No. No, you gotta take. See, you have to take this. Where's the orange sharp? Okay, now you have to take this out first.
Okay. I got it.
This cover. Okay, then this.
What?
No. No. The other one, the green. Okay. Oops.
Wait, did you drop the Sharpie?
Okay. Now get the impact. 2 bolts. One more inside. Okay, and next you just pop the door like this, the door panel. Okay, where's the orange? It's not Corona, come on.
It's not from Corona. The smell is bad.
Smell? There's no smell. Why?
Smell,
What do you smell?
You're literally sitting on the throw up.
This guy, this kid is like too Americanized. Too Americanized.
I was born in America. You were born
So
in
what?
Georgia.
In America.
I'm American.
Okay. Okay, hold on to this. Let me put everything back on the door panel. So guys, this is it. This is how you take the door panels out. Not complicated when you know. I'm here to teach my son, and I'm here to teach you guys and show you guys the process of taking parts of 2011 Porsche Panamera 4S. Okay, so now we have 4 door panels out, and in the next episode we will start taking interior apart. Seats, trims, everything from inside. We can actually remove the doors too before we do that.
It'll be
better to work on a car. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is the door panel right here. Will be available for sale in our eBay store. Down below in our description you will have the link to our store where you can find all of these parts. So please subscribe to our channel, share our video, give us what? Big thumbs up.
Go to 100K.
Yeah, we want to go to 100K. So guys, if you have kids like Nicodemus, he's 10 years old, and what is that? And I'm teaching him how to take car apart. And so you guys, fathers, I mean, if you guys have your kids around sitting doing nothing, show them, share with them this video. Yeah, sit on the couch on your phone doing nothing, and when you can actually educate your kids with our channel, like I'm educating my son. And see, we're taking this plastic. Good, doesn't leave any glue on the door panels, which is really nice. Still, this door, we can't use this door, but we can use the mirror on this door. So in next episodes we will show you guys how we take mirrors apart, doors apart, interior, everything. So please subscribe to our channel, follow our episodes, and we'll see you guys next time. Say goodbye. Goodbye, you guys.